Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna learn something new, but this one is specifically for real estate agents. So you might be wondering, is it possible for you to take professional photos using just your iPhone? So if your iPhone have the ultra wide angle lens, this is really possible. So I'm gonna teach you how to take good photos using your iPhone. Let's dive straight in. So we are now here in a one bedroom apartment that I'm shooting for Airbnb, and we're gonna use this as an example. So first things first, you need to check your settings. So you need to turn on the grid to your camera, and then you need to switch the ultra wide angle lens so that you can cover as wide as possible. So let's try this living room for example. And so first thing you're gonna do is, of course, open the camera app, then make sure your grids are on, and then let's switch on to the ultra wide angle. There we go. And then make sure your phone is in your chest level, because if it's too high or too low, it's not gonna look good. And do you see this edges? So let's say, for example, foundation, walls, ceilings. So you may want to align these grids to those lines. So let's take this one. So don't forget to align vertically and horizontally. So let's take this kitchen for example. So let's crop in. So I'm going to align the lines that I can see, like anything, cupboards, like walls, anything that has, horizontal and vertical lines. So let's take this for example. There you go. Because the reason why we're doing this is because if it's like this or like this, it doesn't look good, right? You need to align the edges just like that. And then if the room is quite dark, of course you need to turn on the flash. So let's move on to the bathroom. So here we go. Make sure you don't forget to close the lid of the bowl, because it doesn't look good if it's open. So let's try this one. For the bathroom, you can go lower from your chest level just to create a vantage point, and then you just click, and there you go. Let's take one more, align the edges. There we go. So shall we move on to the bedroom? Okay. So check the leading lines. There we go. Then let's take some details. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. So of course, don't forget to take photo of the outside view, the balcony. So yeah, this is just one bedroom. But I'd like to remind you, if you're taking bigger house, let's say a villa, maybe 4 or 5 bedrooms, you don't have to take pictures of the bedroom, the storage, the laundry room, something like that. What's important in taking pictures of those kind of properties is the garden, of course, the garage, and then the outside, and then the living room, then the bedrooms if they are en suite or something like that. So yeah, I think we need to go, practice. So go to one of the properties that you want to practice on, or you need to take pictures. Then just follow the simple guidelines that I've taught you. So I hope you have learned something today, and let me know in the comment section below if you need to learn something else. Let's say, what about taking videos of a property using a phone, iPhone, something like that. So it's not just for iPhone. You can always use Android phones with the ultra wide camera. Alright, so thank you guys. Talk to you guys till next one.